Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your iPhone model and update iOS so Volte settings appear. Next, verify NTC has provisioned Volte on your SIM, call support, or use their app to confirm. Once done, remove and reinsert the SIM, then restart the phone to allow the network to push Volte configuration. Make sure cellular data is enabled after reboot. These steps prepare your device and network, so the next settings changes will register correctly and avoid common provision. You now adjust the iPhone settings. Open Settings, go to Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. Tap Voice and Data and choose the LTE option that includes VoLTE. That tells the phone to prioritize voice over the LTE network for clearer calls. If the VoLTE toggle is missing, make sure carrier settings are updated, accept any prompt, or perform a network settings reset. This refreshes carrier provisioning without erasing content. Once selected, make a test call to confirm voice uses, LTE, rather than falling back to 3G. Finish by placing a test call. Look for LTE and an HD or VoLTE indicator. This proves your voice traffic runs on LTE. If you don't see it or calls drop, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a network reattach, then retry. If problems persist, reinsert the SIM and check for carrier updates again. As a final troubleshooting tip, contact NTC support with your IMEI and account details so they can verify provisioning. This step resolves most lingering provisioning or network-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.